So you might be in a situation where for some reason Google Gemini 3.1 just isn't working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I'd recommend doing is understanding that within Gemini 3.1, it is a work in progress and it's going to get better throughout time. So it might not be perfect just yet, but keep in mind it will end up getting much better, and you're just going to have to kind of keep that in mind as you're continuing on. So go through, try to understand that it will end up getting better. Sometimes you might just have to go inside of your Gemini application and try updating the actual app. Or you can also go through and basically make your way over to the website and just refresh the website. And that might end up clicking things in place too. You might have an old instance of Gemini, and hopefully that'll end up fixing it for you. You might also have to go through and try basically checking your Wi-Fi connection of your device as well. So make your way over to your settings application of your device. And all you're going to want to do here is basically just find your update, like your Wi-Fi, your cell connection, all these things. And all you're going to want to do here is just go through and just make sure your Wi-Fi connection is good and or your cell connection is good as well. A lot of the times, like I mentioned, if you're having problems like that, you might just have to go through and just kind of adjust those things. And that is another very big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well. So try doing that. You want to make sure that's not the problem either. You might also just want to make sure that Gemini isn't actually down or there's no issues with Gemini. And sometimes you might just have to go through and make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com. And from there, you can kind of go and see what's going on here. And you can basically just go through and try to see if it's down. And if it's down, you're just going to have to kind of wait it out until they end up fixing that problem. So in terms of that, that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.